Welcome to Welder Week 25th Advantages, Disadvantages and Application of Gas Metal Arc Welding. Advantages: welding is economical due to less edge preparation and no stub loss. Produces joints with deep penetration. Thin and thick materials can be welded. It can be used for welding of carbon steels, alloy steel, stainless steel, copper and its alloy, aluminium and its alloys. Welding in all positions can be done. Deposition rate is more. No solid flux is used, so needs no cleaning of slag after each run. Reduce distortion. Disadvantages: welding equipment is costly, more complex and less portable. Since air drifts may disturb free flow of the shielding gas, GMAW may not work well in outdoor welding. Applications: this process can be used for welding carbon, steel alloy steel, stainless steel, aluminium, copper, nickel and their alloys, titanium, etc. Light and heavy fabrication work. This process is successfully used in shipbuilding, fabrication of pressure vessels and automobile industry. Gas metal arc welding process parameters/variables. The following parameters must be considered in the welding procedure of gas metal arc welding/carbon dioxide welding. Electrode size, rate of wire feed, welding current, arc voltage, stick out, welding position, shielding gas, travel speed, electrode position. Electrode. Best results are obtained by using the proper size wire for the thickness of the metal to be welded and the position in which the welding is to be done. Welding current. The wire feed speed will control the current. A wide range of current values can be used with each wire diameter. This permits welding metal of various thicknesses without having to change the wire diameter. Parameters of gas metal arc welding. Arc voltage. This is a very important variable in GMAW/CO2 welding process, mainly because it determines the type of metal transfer by influencing the rate of droplet transfer across the arc. Arc travel speed. The linear rate at which the arc moves along the joint, termed arc travel speed, affects the weld bead size and penetration. Stick out. It is the distance between the end of the contact tube and the tip of the electrode. Here you can see these things in this figure given. Electrode position. Electrode position in all welding processes, the position of the gun and the electrode with respect to the joint affects the weld bead, shape and penetration. The welding can be done either by using forehand forward technique or by using backhand and backward technique. The gun angles are usually maintained with 10 to 15 degree as shown in figure 2. Types of metal transfer. Number 1. Spray transfer, that is also known as free flight. Number 2. Globular transfer, that is also known as intermediate. Number 3. Short circuit or dip transfer. Number 4. Pulse transfer. Spray transfer. Spray transfer. In spray transfer, very fine droplets of the electrode wire are rapidly projected through the arc from the end of the electrode to the workpiece. The advantages of metal spray transfer are: number 1. High deposition rates. Number 2. Good travel speeds. Number 3. Good looking weld appearance. Number 4. Little weld sputter. Number 5. Good weld fusion. Number 6. Very good on heavy sections. The disadvantages of the spray mode are: number 1. Higher capacity power source needed. Number 2. Weld position is limited to flat and horizontal fillet. Number 3. The cost of using a more expensive mixed gas. Number 4. Higher radiated heat is produced, so extra protection is needed. Globular and short circuit transfer. Globular transfer. In globular transfer, only a few drops are transferred per second at low current values, while many drops are transferred at high current values. The sputter produced in this transfer is more and hence it is less preferred, but this is a good transfer method for using CO2 gas as a shielding gas. The voltage range is 23 to 27 volt. Short circuit transfer, also known as DIP transfer. In short circuit transfer, as the molten wire is transferred to the weld, each drop touches the weld puddle before it breaks away from the advancing electrode wire. The voltage range is 16 to 22 volt. Plasma processes application and limitations. Pulsed spray transfer. Pulsed spray transfer has a steady stream of metal droplets crossing the welding arc. The pulsed power source supplies the welding arc with two types of welding current. Number 1, peak current. This current allows the formation of metal droplets which then cross the welding arc. Number 2, background current. The background current will keep the arc alive but does not allow for any weld metal transfer. Advantages: Number 1, able to spray thinner metals. Number 2, less heat input. Number 3, stronger welds. Number 4, more weld control. Number 5, out of position welding. Number 6, little spatters. Disadvantages: Number 1, higher setup cost. Number 2, need operator training. Number 3, lower deposition rate. Thank you.